Did you know sneezing in the Middle Ages was basically a death sentence? Some thought your soul could shoot out your nose. Like, oops, there goes my eternal salvation. Others were convinced it meant demons were entering your body via your face holes. That's why people shouted, "Bless you," like a medieval antivirus install. Oh, and if you sneeze during a plague, congrats, your funeral started early. Some doctors swore sneezing was your brain trying to escape the trauma of living in the 1300s. And their medical solution? Burn some herbs and hope for the best. Science. So next time someone sneezes near you, just say "bless you" or call an exorcist, just in case.